Hi there, Ash from Nomisma here, and in this short video, I'll be showing you how our final accounts e-signatures work within Nomisma. So, without further ado, let's get started. In the dashboard, you've got your final accounts for limited companies. You can also use this for sole traders, partnerships, LLPs, and PLCs as well. But if we go into our limited companies and then select one of these, once that loads, you'll be able to go to the document section on the left menu, and you'll see in the top right hand corner a button for e-signing. Now, you will be able to use this in order to gain approval from your clients in relation to final accounts and the accompanying corporation tax return. If there are more than one corporation tax returns due to an extended period, then both periods can be attached to this email, and they can both be e-signed as well. In addition to that, you can attach filleted accounts and full accounts. But in the email template, this is the standard one. You can change all of your email templates in the agent settings screens, but the e-signature link is the most important part of this email, as that is where all of the URLs will be placed in the email that your client will receive in order to then e-sign the documents. Okay, so let's send this to myself and I will show you exactly what this looks like. Okay, so that email has been sent. I've received it in my inbox, and this is what it looks like. So you'll see where it said the e-signature link, I've now got 3 URLs to each of the individual documents that I had attached to the email. So in addition to being able to sign them, they've also got them attached to the email. And all I'm going to do now is just select each of these links. I won't show you them all. I'll show you the full accounts, but it will take your client directly to the signing section, and they can then decide how they want to sign it, whether they want to draw a signature or whether or not they want to use a preset signature. It's entirely up to them how they do it. But they can review the accounts on screen, so every single page will appear here, and then they can go ahead and sign. So in the signature section, I've already pre-populated a signature, but we can select edit, draw the signature, or we could type it, or it could be uploaded if they wanted to draw their signature on a piece of paper and do it that way. But let's select use, and then there's one more field remaining. So next, sign, and then finish signing. I agree. They also have the ability to decline the request. And if they do decline the request, they'll ask for the reason why they've declined. And that reason will be sent back to you as the advisor so that you can see exactly why and then fix the reason. Sorry, fix the final accounts and then send them out for e-signature again. Okay, so I'll just close that. That set of accounts has been signed successfully. As you can see, they've been taken to the successful page. And now if we refresh this, it may just take a few minutes, but the document will be stored in the document section here. Whilst I'm waiting for that to come through, what I'm going to do is just look at this corporation tax return. Again, I've clicked the link. It opens it up in SignEasy, who is our third-party supplier for this. That'll load, and then it will take me directly to the signature section. So this time around, what I'm going to do is just select decline request, and then it comes up with what is your reason for declining the request. And then once this is declined, you as the advisor who has requested the e-signature will receive an email with the reason explaining why they've declined that request. Okay, so I'm just going to go back to the Nomisma user interface. Refresh the screen, and you can see here now we've got the signed full accounts. The uploaded date was today, a few minutes ago, and if we click the name of that file and scroll down on the full accounts, we should see the e-signature. So those documents have been signed now. You've got them stored within your system, and the entire workflow is handled for you. I hope this helps. Should you have any questions or any queries or any suggestions, as a matter of fact, throughout the whole of the software, please do get in touch with us and let us know. You can let us know by using support@nomisma.co.uk or calling 020 3021 2326. And also, if you're not already a Nomisma user but you'd like to find out more, then please do visit our website, which is www.nomisma.co.uk. And you can either book in for a free one-to-one demonstration with one of our team, or you can register for a free 14-day trial and have a look at the software and see exactly how it works for yourself. Thank you very much for watching, and take care. Bye.